Hello students, before chapter exercise total completed, about this chapter some important points. So axiom is also called postulate. Axiom means a basic assumption about a mathematical situation that is accepted as a true and correct. True and correct. These are universally accepted to general truth. Means for example, circles have same radii. And another example, sun rises in the east, like that. That all called axioms. Next, theorem. Theorem means a statement that has been proved to be true or conjecture. Conjecture means statements which are neither proved nor disproved are called conjecture. Means this is one statement. Another one, a statement believed to be true but for which we have no proof, that are called theorem. Next one, a statement that is beginning proposed to be a true statement. So for example, one of the theorem, Pythagorean theorem is there, like that are called theorems. Some Euclid axioms, some Euclid's postulates also. Now Euclid's axioms, things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. This is one of the Euclid's axiom. Next one, if equals are added to equals, the whose is equal. Next one, if equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. These are all axioms of Euclid's axioms. Next one, things which are coincide with one another are equal to one another. Means in problems middle we are using like these conditions. Things which are coincide with one another are equal to one another. Next axiom, the whole is greater than the part. This also one of the axiom, Euclid's axiom. Things which are double of the same things are equal to one another. This is axiom. Next one, things which are halves means halves of the same things are equal to one another. These are Euclid's axioms. Next, Euclid's postulates means to draw a straight line from any point to any point. To draw a straight line from any point to any point is one of the postulate of Euclid. Euclid postulate. Next one, a terminated line can be produced infinitely. A terminating line can be produced infinitely. Next one, to describe a circle with any center and radius. To describe a circle with any center and radius. This is Euclid postulate. All right angles are equal to one another. All right angles are equal to one another. Next, if a straight line falling on two indefinite straight lines make the interior angles on the some side less than two right angles will meet on the same side. Means side which have the angles less than two right angles. These are Euclid's axioms. Next, some Euclid's theorems. Euclid's theorems. Two distinct lines cannot have more than one point in a common. Two distinct lines cannot have more than one point in a common. Distinct means different two lines. Next one, the sum of angles of any triangle is a constant and is equal to two right angles. Sum of angles of any triangle is a constant and is equal to two right angles. Next one, there exists a pair of lines everywhere equidistant from one point, equidistant from one another. This is one of the Euclid theorem. If a straight line intersects any one of the two parallel lines, then it will be intersect the other also. This is one of the Euclid's theorem. Next, another theorem. Straight lines parallel to the same straight line are parallel to one another. These are all Euclid's theorems. So one of the problem. Give any two axioms for your daily life. Means any axioms. One of the example axiom means the sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. And another one, any two straight lines are equal. Any two straight lines are equal. Any two straight lines are equal. Next, another one. India is greater than Andhra Pradesh. We can write India is greater than Andhra Pradesh. These are examples of axioms. And another example, a breadth is greater than its pieces. So one of the example, see this figure. In the adjacent figure, we have AC equal to XD. AC equal to XD. Here see AC equal to XD, and C and D are midpoints of AB and XY. AB midpoint C, XY midpoint D, and respectively show that AB equal to XY. Question, AB equal to XY. See this answer. Given that, what they given? AC equal to XD and CD are midpoints of AB and XY, and AB equal to 2AC. Why? Because C is the midpoint of AB. C is midpoint of AB. Next, here XY equal to 2XD. XY equal to 2XD. Why? Because here D is midpoint of XY. D is midpoint of XY. And AC equal to XD, given that. AC and given in question, given. Next, therefore, half AB equal to half XY. Half AB equal to half XY. Here AB equal to XY. Half get cancelled. AB equal to XY. Since things which are double of the same things are equal to one another. This is by axiom of Euclid. Here, right? Hence proved, since things which are with are double of the same things are equal to one another. This is Euclid axiom, like AB equal to XY. This is answer.